Radhika Sanghvi has written to us from Mumbai. She wants to know if this is the right time to invest in gold or should she stay invested in mutual funds. She's 47 years old and is a professional. So obviously she's working.
So I think the question is, should she stay invested in equity mutual funds or in gold? Now it's not very clear whether the gold is physical or she is holding it. So I think both, if you are talking either equity mutual funds or gold, both are assets that fluctuate, the prices fluctuate. So for a what shall you say, a lay investor, very clearly a lump sum investment is not something that I would advise. Whether it's gold or equity mutual funds, build it up through a systematic investment plan. And as far as gold is concerned, again, it should be a certain part of your portfolio depending on your risk profile, depending on the period of holding. I would say 5 to 10% should be the maximum gold in your portfolio, and you should hold gold through a paper route, either through a gold mutual fund or a gold ETF. So if you want to buy lump sum, a gold ETF is a good way to hold it. If you want to buy it systematically, which is what I recommend, you should look at doing a SIP in a gold fund.
Okay, all right, that's the query answered.